Let's be real. 99% of the industrial AI you see out there isn't actually industrial AI. Those who have tried it know. Generic models, chatbots slapped onto legacy software, agents running around without operational context. These aren't capable of helping run a complex facility. It's natural, with the promise of industrial AI, to feel the pressure to make sure your company doesn't fall behind. But that shouldn't mean that you have to settle for something subpar. You want industrial AI that actually works, one with the specific intelligence to support those replacing the decades of expertise heading out the door right now. It comes down to trust. Trust starts with knowing that industrial AI needs to be part of a complete platform to truly be effective. That's what your team deserves. A platform that's purpose-built by people that know your problems because they've spent decades in your team's shoes. One that's ready right now to boost the productivity of your most and least experienced people. That complete platform is TwinThread. We give you every tool you need to monitor, manage, automate, and improve operations from day one. And we mean day one. Install an agent on your servers, stream data in minutes, map assets to digital twins in hours, and see results in just a few days. After that, we move quickly. Customers routinely go from use case to go live in 3 months. From there, we grow at your pace. We've scaled upwards of 650,000 assets across 450 sites for a single customer. The engine that can manage it all? TwinThread's industrial AI triad of predictive, generative, and prescriptive AI. Predictive AI anticipates anomalies and offers solutions. Generative AI explains issues and guides you to a solution. Prescriptive AI recommends the next best course of action. And the connective tissue making it all work? Agentic AI. Agents connect, flag, retrieve, compile, and execute behind the scenes to make running complex operations simple. You need each part to close the loop. Without them, you can't call it industrial AI, and you're not giving your team the best chance to chase continuous improvement. With the triad, agents, and TwinThread's other tools, everyone on your team will see the how of their day-to-day work change for the better. Operators will know the right action at the right time. Engineers can use our Gen AI assistant, advisor, to find the problem behind the problem and compose recommendations. And digital teams? They can leave data wrangling behind and focus on more meaningful innovation. Now imagine how this plays out in your plant. An operator starts a product changeover. TwinThread flags a valve issue. Behind the scenes, advisors working the problem with one of your engineers. In minutes, an agent pushes an updated profile back to the floor, and your operator accepts the new set points with a single tap. Everything keeps moving, no chaos, no disruption, and no sweat. That's real relief. No matter where you are or what happens, you'll have a platform and a partner you can depend on. Sounds nice, right? Colgate-Palmolive, Hexion, and other global industrial leaders seem to think so. Our customers use TwinThread across their entire asset and process footprint, monitoring thousands of assets, reducing scrap, downtime, and saving energy costs by hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. And you can too. Take the first step towards empowering your teams today so they can start innovating for tomorrow. Get started with a free trial of TwinThread's platform at twinthread.com.